Okay, this is probably my last boiler. I'll be running it in a day or two as soon as the weather clears up here in the area. I've used all the parts that I have, all the pipe, everything, all the pumps, all the fittings. Nice one. Came out really nice. Nice whistle on it. Really interesting gauge, too. Firebox down here. All the grates are in. Brand new, never had a fire in them. This part I will attach to here. It's the fill and drain. A valve here so that if this check valve fails, a person can shut off the steam to it and then change out this or clean it out in case some garbage got in here or pieces of scrap or something. Or something that was picked up by the pump in the water tank can also make the check valve not work. And then if it doesn't, you have steam coming back up into the pump and other places. Blower valve is right here. That's about it. Like I say, this will probably be the last boiler. For a while, they're just so expensive to buy them all the raw materials for it. It's just not worth it to even build them anymore. Anyway, if you're interested in this boiler, give me a call. Number is 206-948-0770. My name is Ross. If you want to email me, my email address is anacortesteam, ANACORTESSTEAM @gmail.com. Thanks a lot for watching.